morning, guys. It is Tuesday and it is Carrington's birthday. If you did not acknowledge Zane for his birthday yesterday, make sure you acknowledge Zane, and please acknowledge Carrington for her birthday today. I'm sure you guys are having great birthdays celebrating at home, but we're thinking about you. All right, loves, so we got a lot of math in yesterday. Thank you so much. Remember, at the bottom of your homework log, it says 2 math pages a day. So some of you were turning in homework logs, but you hadn't done those 2 math pages because we don't want you ending up on Friday trying to do 10 pages. And so you're supposed to do 2 math pages a day. So remember that. Plus you're supposed to do a science or an engineering project. We assigned 1. If you want to do more, great. We also want to remind you that once you're done with that, you're not done. You still need to be exploring things on your own, whether it's Khan Academy, it's any of those other science engineering projects. It is something that we've given you on the Montessori Learning at Home packet. So we want you to keep going and growing and doing what you can do at home.
Yeah, there's a lot of things on that packet that we've never seen anybody do.
Yeah.
Music stuff. I don't know if anybody's ever done any of the music stuff.
Christian
Maybe 1 or
did
2 in
once,
the
I
beginning,
think.
Yeah, and I remember lots of the practical life stuff that we haven't seen too many. So
And some
dig
really
into that
cool
thing,
history
yeah.
and culture.
Lot
So
of
that'd be
stuff.
really cool
A lot
to
of
do.
stuff that we had a framework for that packet, but then we added some of our own things in there. So if you're curious as to what in particular out of that packet we'd prefer that you do, you can always ask.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So we're noticing that we're not getting everybody watching the morning message or everybody watching the yoga, and we're getting you guys checking it off that you have. So starting on Monday, we're going to do a little trick so we can check to see if you're actually watching it. So stay tuned for that. But right now I'm going to go over what the first years are going to be doing for their math today. This is their 3rd and 4th page. Okay, guys, so this is what you're doing today. You are doing shopping for the week, and that's really cool because what they do is they're giving you money. So on Monday, they give you $20.35. They're going to ask you, what are you going to buy? When you put this down, I want you to put grapes and then put how much they cost. All right, so I can see it, and put bananas and put how much they cost. Then the next question is, how much money do you spend? So you have to add up what you bought. And then it says, how much money do you have left? Then you're doing subtraction. And then it's asking you, how many servings of food did you buy? So on this first part, what it says, what did you buy? If I were you, I'd put grapes down, how much they cost, and what serving it is. That way you have all the information there for you. And that's what they're going to do on Thursday. And also, then you have follow-up questions. It asks you, how much more money do you have to go shopping on Monday than you have on Thursday? So there's some subtraction there. And then it asks you, how much more money did you actually spend on Monday than you did on Thursday? And then they are asking you about some things that they want you to buy on Saturday, and which is less expensive, and by how much. Pretty easy questions. And then your second page today is more problem-solving scenarios. So you're just going to read those. There's 6 of them. We need to see your work. We need to see your work. So some of you are just giving us the answers, and we do not see your work. So we can't tell you, oh, you're not borrowing, or you're not, you didn't subtract right, so, or you have the wrong number written down. So we can't help you that way. So make sure you're showing us the work. The work we've been getting is pretty good. You do not have to do it on this paper. You just have to always label what it is. So more problem-solving scenarios, and then you're going to tell me, maybe this is box number 1, box number 2, box number 3, box number 4, 5, and 6, so that we can help you grade it. All right, guys. Thank you, first years. All right, second years. Let me get this down. Second years, you are still shopping for candy today. So you did 2 pages. Your 3rd page is multiplying and dividing. So you're doing both of them today. And they don't tell you which one you're going to be using. So you're going to have to decide. Now, I know you guys had some issues with, when you're doing money, you always go to the decimal. You always go, always to the decimal of the thousandths place, so you can round it to the hundredths place. Now, I know I was giving you extra work yesterday because I was making you 9-proof it. but you can only 9-proof it when you just have a regular remainder. So you do not have to 9-proof if you get a remainder. You do not have to 9-proof your division if you get a remainder. Now, if you keep getting it wrong, then we might have to 9-proof it to the remainder part and then convert it to a decimal. But we can talk about that individually. All right, so that's your page. And then guess what? You're gonna go to the snack shack. So now you have different food to work with, and you're going to do 4 questions on multiplication with your snack shack. All right, okay guys, have a great day with shopping for candy and snacks.